So welcome back. This is my next tutorial. So in today's video we are going to do is this 12 or 13 bolt. So if you try to measure like this, it gives you 8 millimeters on a vernier caliper. So we are going to work on a filter. So we are going out in the field, so we are not going to work from here. So what we are going to do, we are going to first drill into the hole of the filter using this hand drill. So this hand drill, because where I'm going there is no power, electricity, so we are going to use this hand drill. So we are first going to drill in with 8.5 millimeter drilling bit, because we are going to drill to tap the first tap with a tapping bit of 10 times 125. After tapping, we are going to cut also the irium coil with a die of 10 times 125. So these outer threads, we are going to use this die to cut on top here, so that this one acts as our irium coil. It measures also 10 millimeters. Yeah, on the vernier calipers you see it also measures 10 millimeters. So we are going to cut on top. In that we fix it inside the fuel filter inside the cap. So as we can drill, we can rethread this bolt inside. So after tying it inside with the help of a spark glue, so we are going to also, after that, we are going to drill inside here a hole to adjust this hole to 6.5 millimeter using a 6.5 millimeter drilling bit. In that we can cut these threads inside this irium coil, to tie this bolt inside, because this is the original bolt. It is of 8 millimeter, so we use a 6 drilling bit in to drill inside the irium coil, so that we can cut the threads of 8 times 25. Because if you try to measure the pitch, let me measure for the pitch. So you see that the threads, they fit very well. So you see they fit very well, so that indicates that this is a pitch of 25 with the bolt. So we are going out for the field. Let's go to the vehicle. So as you are seeing, we are using a tap of 10 times 125. So as I told you that you do not cut the threads until the end or the tap to pass through, so you have to leave some space to act as a stopper. So we first drilled inside with a 8.5 millimeter drilling bit. Then after drilling there, we tapped in with a 10 times 1.5 tap. So those are the threads on the outer of the irium coil. After cutting 1.5 of the irium coil, we are going to tie the irium coil using a spark glue to tighten it. Also we used a die of 1.5 to cut the outer threads of our irium coil. Let's tie our irium coil into the cap of it's a fuel filter. So you have to be a bit quick, because the spark glue will dry very fast. So you have also to be a bit quick when tying. Let's remove the excessive part of our irium coil using the axle blade. So this is 10 millimeters. So we are going to drill inside with a 16 drilling bits using a hand drill, because we don't have here electricity. Let's drill in with a 6 or 6.5 drilling bit, because we are going to tap to use a tap of 8 times 125, because the original bolt is of number 12 and it's of 8 millimeters with a pitch of 125. So as I told you, these tabs, they're in series. So this is the first one. Some oil, used one, So don't forget to use the oil. Repeat the process with all the 3 dies, the 3 taps, until you finish to cut the helium coil inside. So repeat. Now you have finished, but how to remove this excess helium coil using a 10 millimeter drilling bit. So we have been using a 10 millimeter drilling bit to remove the excessive parts of the helium coil, but they are those stubborn ones. So let me use the arm and chisel, a bit flat in front and sharp, so to remove the excess one and to make a good surface. So don't forget even to tap through the hole to make final threadings. So because if you try to remove the excessive helium coil, the bendings may come or the bolt may refuse to start. So you have to start also with another helium coil to make the starting point of the new bolt. You have also to remove the remaining dusts. So let's test our work we have been doing with the help of a spanner. This is a spanner of number 12. So as you are seeing now, the work is done. You can tighten as much as you want. So now the work is done. So thank you for watching. Leave any comment or advice in the comment below of any video. I'll be there to answer for you. So that's just we have been working on our oil filter, as we were saying. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much for watching my videos.